Today, we gather not only to commemorate 100 years of our jurisdiction's history, but to celebrate the living legacy of our craft. This centennial is a testament to the vision of our founders, the labors of our predecessors, and the steadfast brotherhood that has endured through generations.
This historic milestone commemorates 100 years of unwavering commitment to the principles of liberty, equality, and fraternity. As we commence this centennial celebration, may we reflect with pride on our noble past, give thanks for the present, and look forward with a renewed dedication to the enduring mission of our Grand Lodge. Welcome, 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 and may this celebration be both meaningful and memorable for all.
Brothers, Freemasonry has always taught us that unity is our strength and brotherhood is our bond. Across generations, across trials, across differences of opinion and circumstances. It is these timeless virtues that have suspended or sustained the Gran Loya Soberana del Archipelago Filipino through war and peace, through struggle and triumph, through silence and awakening. Gran Loya Soberana del Archipelago Filipino has remained steadfast, anchored in liberty, equality, and fraternity.
Sa kabuuan, ang tatsulok, ang araw, at ang tatlong mga bituin na bumubuo ng ating matawat ay maliwanag na sagisag ng pagkakapatiran ng mga tao sa ilalim ng patnubay ng pagiging ama ng Diyos.
Sama-sama nating pinarangalan ang isang siglong pamana at pinatatag ang kapatirang nagsisilbing gabay sa mga susunod na henerasyon. Muli po, ito ang inyong Deputy Grandmaster, Cesar R. Almendras Jr. Maraming salamat at mabuhay ang soberano.
Today, we do not merely celebrate an anniversary. We stand inside a century. We gather to commemorate 100 years since our Grand Lodge received its charter from the Gran Oriente Espanyol, recognizing us as a sovereign and independent Grand Lodge in the Orient of the Philippines. This recognition was not symbolic. It was decisive. It affirmed our maturity our discipline, and our unwavering commitment to the ideals of Freemasonry.
Allow me, therefore, to congratulate everyone here present for being part of the right side of history. Sentenaryo ng kapatiran, nakakaisa sa pagtaguyod ng liwanag, katarungan at pag-asa.
Bilang inyong Grand Master, ako po ay lubos na nagpapasalamat at nagkasama tayo sa makasaysayang araw na to. Ang ating unang siglo ng kalayaan, pagkakapantay-pantay at kapatiran. Muli, mula po sa pamunuan ng Gran Logia Soberana del Archipelago Filipino, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.